Hi, I'm Claire and welcome to my London walking tour for Valentine's Day. Welcome to Peggy Porschen. This is the most Instagrammable place you'll ever find for such a romantic day. Let me take you on my little tour. Peggy Porschen's theme this year for Valentine's Day is cherries and berries. I visited the Belgravia boutique, which is on the corner of Elizabeth Street and Ebury Street, with my friend Bettina at 10 o'clock on a Monday morning. It was pretty quiet at this time of the day, but we still saw quite a lot of people taking photos outside, so do take your time and wait your turn if you need to take photos. With this pink parlour, the things to look for are the beautiful archway around the door. You've also got these lovely bits on the side which have the lovely heart on them. You can also sit inside, especially in this winter weather. You've also got beautiful special Valentine's cakes and cupcakes, so you can really enjoy your experience, and there's even some special waffles. Next, it's a 12-minute walk to our next stop down Elizabeth Street. My next stop is Neill Strain Floral Couture, one of my favourite displays in London, and it happens every single year. It's about 5 to 10 minutes walk from Peggy Porschen, so it makes an ideal next stop. Usually for Valentine's Day they've had a big red heart here, but this seems like it's going to carry through till spring with lots more spring-like flowers in it. And then I can Google what those are. A celebration of spring is giving all the Bridgerton vibes. You've got all these beautiful pastels, including wisteria and pink tulips. Our next stop is actually the Neill Strain boutique, but in Mayfair. This is a 25-minute walk or a 20-minute bus, depending on what you prefer. We took the number 22 bus because it was freezing and decided to stop off at a little cafe called Rex. This deli was the perfect place to warm up. Just look how cozy it is, and they also were serving the cutest little pies that we had for lunch. After that, we skipped around the corner to Neill Strain's second store in Mayfair. You'll notice the beautiful spring flowers and this cute green bench. Across the road is our very next stop. So this is Hedonism wines, and every single year they have a really creative concept. What would you say this year even is? So this year, as you can see, they've gone for a pink foam box and an explosion of candy floss. It's got all the love feels from me. You can tell I have Prosecco. You seriously can't take me anywhere. This beautiful pink display is actually on cloud 9. So these are supposed to represent clouds, and it's got this gorgeous bike outside as well. It's perfect for posing, and definitely wear pink if you can. 3 minutes walk away and you'll find Wild Things Flowers, which I really recommend going to. This beautiful floral bucket is such an Instagram moment, and this florist is absolutely stunning. I love all of the roses. All of the flowers are just perfect for Valentine's Day. Next, we're heading to Bond Street, a 7-minute walk away. My Valentine's walk wouldn't be complete without a trip to Bond Street, one of my favourites. You can go to all the designer jewellery shops down here like Cartier and Tiffany, so come down and take a look. It's such a beautiful street and is very near your last stop. My final stop is at Mozart Coffee Shop, which is hiding under the scaffolding and has all this beautiful floral detail. You can get flowers and coffee for £15. You can take it away or have it inside. It's so cute. Romance equals a hot chocolate and some cute flowers. You can pick your own from the wall, and there's also sweet treats too. I loved the decor and I love all the flowers around, and I love sitting down to have this gorgeous hot chocolate. I hope you've enjoyed my Valentine's tour. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I can do more of these little walking tours. There's more information in the caption should you need it. Until next time, happy Valentine's Day.